Naji here, welcome back. In this video, we will be discussing with respect to what is a constant and what is a variable, and we are also discussing about annotations. Okay, so I have opened a new window. So as usual, let me remove it, and we have a. Okay, let me remove this also. Okay, so when we talk about variables and constants, both are somewhat similar. Like they are used to save the values. Okay, but there is a small difference between variable and the constants. Okay, when we say constant, we can say that okay, once it is assigned a value, it will not change, or it will not allow us to change. But variable, we can change any number of times. Okay, so let me define a constant. The constants variable can be defined as using the keyword let. Okay, so let, you can say maximum number of, you can say maximum number of login. I can say it as 10. Now let me print it. Oh, sorry. Let me print it. What's happening with me? Okay, let me print it maximum number of login. Okay, this we can execute, right? See, we can see that the result is 10. Now let me try to change this maximum number of login. I can change it to 20. Okay, run it, we will get a error. Okay, cannot assign to value maximum login is a let constant. Okay, now we can see how can we declare a variable. Here we can see that we will be using the keyword called var. Can say that current login attempt, I can define it as 0. Now you can see that if I can print it, can say current login attempt. Okay, it is 0 now. Now let me increase it. I can say that equal to maybe 2. Now let me print it again. Yep. So now the answer is 2. It is printing as 2. That means like it is allowing us to print the, allow us to change the value with respect to the variable. Okay. Now next topic that I want to cover in this video with respect to the annotation. Okay. So before that, let me tell one more thing. So to declare a variable, we can have something like this. We can have like a multiple variables can be declared using the single var keyword. We can say that y is equal to 0. I can write it like that, and z is equal to color. This is also a valid. So here it is a problem. Let me correct it. Okay. So this is also a valid declaration. Similar way we can do with the constant also. I can define x is equal to x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to maybe 1. This also can be done. Okay. So coming to the next topic, that is the annotation. So when we declare something like var name, okay, so we don't know like what is the type of this variable, right? It may be a integer or it may be a string. Like we can assign anything with respect to this variable. So what is usually we do? We can specifically say that we can annotate it with the type. I can say that this is a string. Okay. So if I say name string, okay. Now let me try to assign. Maybe I can assign it with my name Naji. Okay. And let me print it name. I can print the name here. Let me run it. Yeah, this is working fine. Now what I can do, I can assign some integer with this. Okay, 10. Now let me run it. Okay. So this will say that cannot assign a value of type integer to a type string. So this is not allowed. Okay. Now similar to the declaration, okay, annotation also can be done like multiple variables together, like red, green, blue. I can assign a double with this. Okay, so this is also a valid assignment. That means red, if I try to assign red with a maybe a string, okay, this will throw a exception. Yep. So that is all about in this video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.